Today is Thursday, July 23rd, 2026, and this is the Contested Logistics Analytic Watch. I'm Clause 6. Over 30 years in the logistics trenches teaches you that a weapon system is only as lethal as the network that feeds it. Today, we break down how the drive for financial accountability exposed phantom equipment in our inventory, the unveiling of heavy autonomous tilt-rotor lift at Farnborough, and the end of strategic sanctuary for homeland deployment. Section 1. The Global Pulse. We must confront a fundamental truth in logistics. Before AI can optimize a supply line, or autonomy can move bulk tonnage, our data must tell the truth. A major audit drive across the Army recently exposed a glaring flaw. Incompatible tracking systems and simple manual entry errors, like typing the letter O instead of a 0, created phantom duplicate records, making it look like the Army owned fleets of trucks that didn't actually exist. In a contested fight, inaccurate data creates false combat power on command dashboards, risking operational failure when units deploy. To protect those fleets before they ever move, a landmark executive action issued on July 20th severely tightens defense supply chain waiver rules, forcing deep supplier mapping down to the raw material origin. Contested logistics begins at the mine and foundry, long before we reach the seaport. Section 2. The Coalition Web. This focus on physical and material truth was front and center at the Farnborough Airshow in England. Defense production and sovereign industrial capacity have officially become the central pillar of coalition warfare. NATO's recent $50 billion procurement agreements, including German ATACMS co-production and European missile maintenance hubs, prove that allied interoperability is no longer just about shared technical standards. It is defined by shared manufacturing, repair, and sustainment mass. Where systems are built and retrofitted directly dictates how long a coalition can fight under active interdiction. Section 3. Market trends. The hardware side of autonomous logistics just gained a massive new entrant. At Farnborough, Anduril and Archer Aviation unveiled Thunder, a Group 5 autonomous hybrid electric tilt rotor built for heavy tactical lift and loyal wingman missions. Capable of being packed into a standard shipping container, Thunder bridges the critical gap between small cargo drones and crewed tactical airlift, delivering high-speed vertical lift over island distances. This matches new solicitations from the Defense Innovation Unit seeking affordable, high-rate autonomous aircraft that can execute local airfield operations and cargo drops even when primary C2 and SATCOM links are completely jammed. Section 4. Policy and the Tool Belt. These technological shifts are being backed by a fundamental rewrite of Army sustainment doctrine. The latest issue of Army sustainment tackles the agility gap, focusing on long-range aerial delivery for armored formations, cluster-based sustainment nodes, and treating electrical power as a primary combat commodity. Crucially, military logisticians are confronting the loss of strategic sanctuary at home, warning that our domestic railheads, seaports, and cyber networks are primary targets. The deployment network inside the homeland is now part of the active battle space. Core reality check. In the legacy world, we treated logistics data as an administrative accounting problem. In the 2026 world, logistics truth is mission assurance. If your sustainment model relies on unverified inventory numbers, unmapped sub-tier suppliers, or permissive domestic transport corridors, you are building a target, not a pipeline. The winner will be the commander who establishes trusted data, fields containerized autonomous lift, and defends the supply chain from the mine all the way to the tactical edge. At the edge, access isn't guaranteed. It must be taken. Get out of the shadows, spread the word, like and subscribe. This is Clause 6, signing off.